Sodick Deutschland Technical Centre is the home of their training, service centre and their machines. In the south of Germany, there is a huge demand for the automotive sector. In fact, Sodick service the top 4 global car manufacturers. Now, in the east, it's geared towards watchmaking, central Germany is tool making, and in the north is the energy and medical sector. So, how do Sodick Deutschland stand out? Well, they pride themselves on technical sales. But first, let's take a look at their showrooms. Here they have 3 showrooms. The official showroom, where the latest models are showcased, the sales showroom, which is a place for displaying their retrofit options, and the state-of-the-art thermally compensated showroom, where accuracy and high-precision solutions are developed. These showrooms are ideal for customers to come and visit. And with the advancements in the medical sector and perpetual growth in the EV industry requiring higher precision has never been more prevalent. And it's not just the latest machines that can offer this technology. This AL60 has been retrofitted with a 2000 RPM spindle in the Z-axis. This is unique in the industry. And here, 50% of these machines are sold with automation as part of the full solution. In order to service such a large market with a personal touch, Sodick has strategically placed their agents and in-house sales staff across the whole country. For example, the South having a larger concentration of business dedicated to the automotive sector, they have industry experts and extra showrooms to accommodate. As previously mentioned, the German market is based on technical sales. This is paramount to Sodick's principles that every person in sales has the highest level of experience in using these machines. A Sodick machine is sold on its technical and multitasking capability. You call with a need for a part by 1 p.m. and it will be delivered to you within 24 hours. You need a technician, they'll be there within 48. Speed is as equally important to Sodick as it is to you. So you can see, Sodick have proved themselves in a competitive market over the last 40 years and will continue to do so.